Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by focusing the sheet you need. Select a cell or range and decide the search scope. Press Control+G or F5 to open the Go to dialog. This is the gateway to precise navigation. Once the dialog appears, type a cell address, range, or define name. You can also click Special to narrow the target. Make sure to use define names for repeat tasks because they speed up access and reduce typing errors when moving around complex workbooks. Once the Go to dialog is open, click Special to reveal advanced options that let you target exactly what you need. Choose constants to select hard-coded values or formulas to grab calculated cells, pick blanks to fill gaps, and visible cells only when working with filtered lists. Use the checkboxes to limit by numbers, text, errors, or conditional formats. This precision saves time. After selecting, press OK and then Act, paste, format, or delete the selected cells as required. You finish by applying the intended change to the selected cells. Type a value, press Ctrl+Enter to fill multiple cells, format, or run a deletion. Make sure to review the selection highlight before committing because bulk edits are hard to reverse. If nothing is selected or Control+G seems unresponsive, check for sheet protection, merged cells, or hidden sheets. These block selection. If something goes wrong, use undo right away and consider restoring from a saved copy to recover lost data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.